Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to latest exam current affairs. Today is 12 May 2020. 12 May 2020 current affairs. Discuss this video. Question 1. When was International Nurses Day recently celebrated? Answer is none of these. 12 May. May 12 is observed as International Nurses Day across the world. International Nurses Day is organized every year to celebrate it. The birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. The theme for International Day 2020 is Nursing the World to Health. The WHO has designated 2020 as the year of the nurses and midwife. The year 2020 also marks the 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. Next question 2. Recently in which state 30,000 pig died on African swine fever? Answer is Assam. The outbreak of African swine fever ASF has claimed more than 30,000 pigs in the last few days in parts of Assam. This has affected the livelihood of hundreds of people involved in the animal husbandry in the state. The infection has spread rapidly as the deaths have been reported from 9 districts in Assam. ASF was first detected in Assam in February 2020. Assam animal Indian rhinoceros, state bird, white-winged duck national park, Dibru Shekhova national park, Kaziranga national park, Manas national park, Nameri national park, Rajiv Gandhi Orang national park, dams, Subansiri lower dam, Subansiri river, Karbi Langpiri dam, Borpani river. Question 2. Information. State animal Indian rhinoceros. Next question 3. Recently, who has unveiled India's first fully ingenious COVID test kit? Answer is GCC Biotech. A Kolkata-based biotech firm has unveiled India's first fully indigenous COVID test kit. It had already received approval from the Indian Council for Medical Research (ICMR). On May 1, 2020, the new real-time PCR kit has been developed by GCC Biotech called Deoxysure and COVID-19 detection assay. The kit includes one-step QRT PCR, master mix, prime probe and RNA template control. Next question is 4. Recently, who announced his retirement from the post of chairman of Paralympic Committee? Answer is Deepa Malik. Deepa Malik has announced her retirement to hold her post as the president of the Paralympic Committee of India in accordance with the National Sports Code. As per the National Sport Code, an active athlete cannot hold an official post in any federation. She was the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games, winning silver in shot put at the 2016 Summer Paralympics. Next question is 5. Recently, who designed and developed a PPE doffing unit for Chengalpattu Medical College? Answer is IIT Madras. The Civil Engineering Department of the IIT Madras has designed and developed and PPE doffing unit for government Chengalpattu Medical College. Financial support for the construction of the doffing unit came from corporates through their CSR arms. Professor Kosi Varghese and Arul Jayachandran fabricated the unit in collaboration with a team of public works department officials at the hospital. Next question is 6. Who will partner with Samsung Pay debit card recently? Answer is Sophie. Samsung has announced the plans of launch a Samsung Pay debit card in the summer of 2020. Samsung will partner with US-based personal finance company Sophie to launch the card, which will be backed via cash management and account. Samsung is also developing a mobile-first money management platform. Next question is 7. Which country named a road after him on the 190th birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore recently? Answer is Israel. Israel has named a street in Tel Aviv after celebrated Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore as a tribute on his 190th birthday. Tagore in 1913 won the Nobel Prize in literature, and till now he is the only poet from India to have done so. The poet also composed a poem that later became the national anthem of India. The national anthem of Bangladesh was also written by him only. Israel, capital Jerusalem, currency Israel shekel. Next question is 8. Which corporation has started Pranavayu program recently? Answer is Bangalore. Bangalore Corporation has launched Pranavayu program. It will create awareness on the need to self-examine the respiratory health from people. Pranavayu awareness program is an attempt to help people with low oxygen level in their blood to get themselves checked early before their alignment before fatal. Next question is 9. Recently daughter Wright passed away. Who was she? Answer is singer. Betty Wright, the Germany winning soul singer and songwriter, passed away in May 2020. Her influential 1970s hits include Clean Up Woman and Where Is the Love. She released her solo debut album My First Time Around at age 15 in 1968. Wright was born Mrs. Regina Norris in 1953 in Miami. Next question is 10. Recently, Freedom of Speech Award 2020 is being conferred. Answer is Siddharth Varadarajan. The WARE founding editor Siddharth Varadarajan is among the 70 journalists from 40 countries who are being presented the Deutsche Welle Freedom of Speech Award 2020. It is awarded annually to a person on initiative that has shown outstanding commitment to human rights and freedom of expression in the media. The awards are being presented since the year 2050. Next question is 11. Recently, which state launched the country first FIR आपके द्वार योजना? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Dr. Narottam Mishra. Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Dr. Narottam Mishra launched country's first ever FIR आपके द्वार योजना in Bhopal on 11 May 2020. Madhya Pradesh is the first state in the country to implement such an innovative scheme. FIR Aapke Dwar scheme has been started as a pilot project. 23 police stations including one urban and one rural police station. 11 divisional headquarters Madhya Pradesh, state animal Varasinga, Bird, Indian Paradise Flycatcher, National Parks, Bandhavgarh National Park, Fawcett National Park, Kanha National Park, Madhav National Park, Panna National Park, Pench, Priyadarshini National Park, Sanjay National Park, Satpura National Park. Important dams: Vansagar Dam, Son River, Bhim Sagar Dam, Vainganga River, Gandhi Sagar Dam, Chambal River, Indira Sagar Dam, Narmada River, and Omkareshwar Dam, Narmada River. Next question is 12. Recently, in which city home delivery was made compulsory cashless from 15 May 2020? Answer is Ahmedabad. In Ahmedabad, the home delivery have been mandatorily made cashless from 15 May 2020. All shops except those selling medicine and milk have been closed in the city. Till 40 May 2020, all the delivery agencies have been directed not to appoint any delivery boy from the containment zone. All the delivery boys need to follow social distancing norms and will have to wear gloves compulsory. Next question is 13. Recently, who took over as the new Secretary of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? Answer is Renewable Energy. Answer is Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi. Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi has assumed charge as the new Secretary Ministry of New Renewable Energy. He succeeded Anand Kumar, who earlier took charge Secretary Ministry of Culture. He was earlier serving as Additional Chief Secretary and Additional Secretary Climate Change Department of the Ministry of Climate Change Department, Environment and Forest Government of Jharkhand. Next question is 14. Recently, which ministry started the trust helpline? Answer is Ministry of Recently, which ministry trust helpline? Answer is Ministry of Human Resource. Union HRD Ministry Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched a helpline for counseling of students of the Central University of Odisha who are in mental distress in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. The helpline Bharosa aims at providing mental and physiological assistance on the student of the institute. The helpline number is 0808-046-801010. Next question is 15. Recently, according to the recommendation of the 15th Finance Commission, the central government released 14 states as much rupees as grant. Answer is 6,195 crore. The central government has released 6,195 crore as grant to 14 states as per the recommendation of the 15th Finance Commission. These grant cover and deficit on post devolution of revenue deflect of state include West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala among other. May 2020 revenue deflect in the difference between state revenue and expenditure. Answer is 6,195 crore. Today's current affairs complete. Now Yesterday question answer. Recently become the first state to provide midday food ration. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Become the first state to provide midday food ration. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Tomorrow question. Recently in which state Black Panther was seen for the first time? Answer is comment box, fill in the. Thank you, bye bye, good day, have a nice day.